Tarlam hiag sealú an chéad éilis gan an Gaeilge sna Stáit Aontaithe. Cuireadh fáilte mhór Rómsa agus roimh go leor éideannach agus Gaelmheiricánach go consolacht na hÉireann.
From Uachtaráin Heron Captain Conley. So Mar Uachtaráin Heron is push áis dom riavén a curry the clock onad Erin in York a Kailora the Kate Flask on the Gaeilge. It's a quite and scope a done sale alienta agus cultura or meter in York. It's Erlish Kovnik a man is gone con or Jonga Flukish a right agus Leon on Gaeilge the Flukers is boss culture official.
You're very, very welcome to Feabhra, the first of its kind, we believe the first dedicated Irish language film festival on the globe. And we're delighted to partner with the New York Irish Centre to bring you this programme of films.
Táí anbro dúil mar agriíocht go bhfuil míad ná scéal na nua, Feabhra a gcuirfaigh locht féicne an seo sna stáidíonta na Mheiriceá. Ní hamhána mína ach sna blianta amachrón de réir mar ásaigh agus ar broid an éile. Tá súil goin go minic tanmh as chlár fís nua fe sé, agus gan mí buchas ó crí le consulach na hÉireann as a bháilú úntaach seo anach.
Well, I kind of trusting it down to crossing the way. It's in singing class we would have learned this, and basically in a nutshell, for those of you who don't speak Irish, the chorus is crossing the waves, going west.
So cheers, lungs and witnesses, lungs and kin, gallant free, gallant free, and gallant